So you see, today's topic is insect wing venation and their modification. Okay, completely we will discuss your insect wing things. Okay. So you see, this thing somewhat we have discussed previously. Insects are the only invertebrates possessing wings and capable of true flight. Okay. Based on the presence or absence of wings, class Insecta is divided into two subclasses. Okay. What are those? One is Epterygota, another one is Pterygota. Already you have discussed these things. Epterygota means what is the meaning? Those who do not have the ptera. Yes or no? Those who do not have the wings. That is known as what? Your Epterygota. What are the orders? What are the orders of Epterygota? Order Thysanura, Collembola, Protura and Diplura. What is the example of Thysanura?
Silverfish.
Silverfish. What is the example of Protura?
Proteurons.
What is the example of Collembola?
Tails and tails.
Springtails.
Collembola is your what? Springtail.
Springtails, sir.
Springtail. Very good. Very good. Huh? So try to remember all the 4 order example. So all other 25 orders, it's starting from your Ephemeroptera to up to the last one. Okay. Everyone is having what? Your wings. Yes or no? So this is the classification of class Insecta into 2 subclasses. What are those? One is your Epterygota, another one is your what? Pterygota. Clear? Total 29 orders are there. Out of that 4 are Epterygota. Rest 25 are your what? Pterygota insects. In a dominance class also again we have discussed that why the insect are dominant. Their one reason was your what? They possess the wings. That's why they are dominant in the animal kingdom. Yes or no? Wings are present in the adult stage only. If you take egg, larva, pupa, they do not have the wings, but in the adult stage only what happens? Insects possess wings. So next you see, these things also we have completed. Okay, what are these things? Pterygots wings arise from the dorsolateral region. That means what I told. This is known as dorsum. This is known as sternum. This is known as pleuron. This is also known as torgum or notum. Yes or no? So from this plane and from this plane, here you see, from this plane and this plane, what happens? Your wings are arises. This is notum, this is pleuron, this is sternum, these are the legs. Okay, and from this what happens? Your wings are arising. That is the meaning of dorsolateral or torgopleural. In general, how many wings are there in adult stage of insect?
Two pairs, sir.
Pairs are there. Which segments?
Sir, meso and
Meso and metathorax. Mesothoracic wings are known as which wings? These wings, huh? This one and this one. These wings are known as anterior wings are known as which one? 4 wings, just like your legs.
4 wings.
Yes or no? This is known as 4 leg. This is known as 4 wings. Yes or no? And the metathoracic wings, they will be known as what? Your hind wings. Clear? Yes or no?
Hind wings.
Huh? So one pair of 4 wings are there, one pair of hind wings are there, arising from mesothorax and metathorax respectively, together known as which thorax? Together known as which thorax?
Pterothorax. Pterothorax.
Very good. You see, in some insect it may be Strepsiptera, and in case of true flies, that is in case of housefly, what happens? They have only one pair of wings. How many number of wings? Only 2. One pair of wings are there. So where they are present, mesothorax or metathorax? You see they are present in the mesothorax. But in the metathorax, wings are not there. Yes or no? You see wings are modified into small balancing organ. This one and your this one. Is it visible? These 2 structure visible? Yes or no? This portion and this portion.
Yes.
That modified hind wing is known as what? Halter. Clearly understood? Yes or no? In case of your housefly, or you can tell in case of your true dipterans, what happens? They have only one pair of wings. That means only 4 wing is present, pair of 4 wing is present, but pair of hind wings are absent, and the hind wings are modified into a balancing organ. This one, is it visible? Yes or no? This one, this is known as what? Halter. Clear? Yes or no? That is known as halter. Hind wing is known as halter here. But is the function? The function is a balancing organ. So, next you see some other insects are also there. There what happens? Their wings are not at all developed. Though what I told, in general, out of 29 orders, 4 are pterygota. That means they do not have wings, whatever may be the situation. But some insects are also there, though they are pterygota, still they do not possess wings. For example, you see, under pterygota, groups are there, several adult insects which do not possess any wings. Example, sterile caste of ants and termites. You see, this is the division or caste system of the termites. Here what is happening? You see so many kind of caste is there. Worker are there, soldier are there, reproductives are there, winged reproductives are there, king is there, secondary queen is there, queen is there. But who is having the wings? That is your only reproductive, winged reproductives, they are only having the wings, not the others. In their whole system, different caste is there. Out of that, what is happening? This in case of your sterile caste, that is your soldier, worker, they do not possess the wings. Reproductive, sometimes they are possessing wings, sometimes they are not possessing the wings. Clear? Up to this clear?
Sir, repeat, sir.
Okay.
Sir, repeat.
Okay. Caste system means what? Some of the insects are like your society, a colony. They are the social insect. You take honeybees, you take termites, okay, you take ants. What happens? They are a society having insects or colony insects. There what will happen? Different type of caste will be there. For example, in case of honeybees, what will be there? In case of honeybees, they have worker, drone, queen. All are having the wings. Okay, but you see, in case of your ants and in case of your termites, what is happening? You see, in case of queen, one is having wings, one is not having. Intermediates, wings are not there. Workers, wings are not there. Males, wings are there. Like this, you see, in some caste, wings are there. In some caste, wings are not there. Particularly in the worker, those which are sterile, they do not have the wings. Because they will not move, they will not fly, they will not mate. Only they will do the work, collecting the foraging process, collecting the foods. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes.
Similarly, you see in case of your termites also, okay, in case of sterile case, that is your worker and soldiers, they do not possess the wings anytime. But reproductive, sometimes they are winged reproductives. At that time, they will be having wings. Not again all of the time. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what? Caste. Some caste are not having the wings. Some insect are also there. There what happens? Sexual dimorphism will be there. What is sexual dimorphism? Some characters are there which distinguishes in between male and female. Understanding? That is known as what? Your sexual dimorphism. Suppose I will ask, in case of mosquito, what is the sexual dimorphism character? Who can tell? What is the sexual dimorphism character in mosquito?
Sir, antenna hair.
Antenna. Very good. Very good. In case of male mosquito, which type of antenna? In case of female mosquito, which type of antenna? Male mosquito is plumose, female mosquito is pylose. Yes or no? Similarly, you see in case of such insect means you see Strepsiptera order, stylopids. There what happens? Female are wingless. In case of Ambioptera web spinners, this one, there also what is happening? Female are wingless, but male are winged. In case of mealybugs, you see male are winged. Yes or no? This is the male, this is the male, this is the male. Male are winged, but the female, this is the female. Yes or no? This is the female. Okay, this is the female. They do not possess the wings. Clear? This may come in the exam. Which insect female do not have the wings? It may be Strepsiptera stylopid, Ambioptera web spinners, or coccyx mealybugs. Based on degree of development of wings, the insect may be classified into 3 forms. One is macropteruoys, one is brachypterus or brachypterups, another one is apterus. Apterus you understood, they do not have the wings. Thysanura, this some time of aphids, they also, this is the aphid. How to know this is aphid? You see, such kind of conical shape will be there. Projection will be there at the anal end. That is the meaning of they are aphids. Understood? And this is the your silverfish. Understanding? So you see there what is happening? They are the apterus. No doubt here. Now coming to what is macropteruoys and what is brachypterus or brachypterus. Macro means what? Large. Large means what? You see, this is the wing. The wing is covering their abdominal tip completely. Larger wings are there, completely covering the body. This is known as what? Your macropteruos. What is brachypterus? You see, these are the wings. They are not covering the abdomen completely. They are not covering the body completely. This is known as what? Your brachypterus. Clearly understood the difference? What is brachypterus and what is macropteruus? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is apterus? What is brachypterus and what is macropteruus?
अच्छा सुनो, सब्सक्राइब करते वक्त ना घंटी बजा देना ताकि जब मैं ऑनलाइन आऊँ तो तुम्हारे फोन की भी घंटी बजे।